Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare moringa leaves for drinking. First, select fresh, vibrant green moringa leaves, ensuring they are free from blemishes. Next, rinse the leaves thoroughly under cool, running water to remove any dirt or debris. Finally, gently pat the cleaned leaves dry with a clean cloth or paper towel, preparing them for the next step in the process. Once cleaned, it's time to dry your moringa leaves. You can air dry them on a clean tray in a well-ventilated area, keeping them out of direct sunlight. Alternatively, use a food dehydrator set to a low temperature, around 100 degrees Fahrenheit, for faster results. The key is to ensure the leaves are completely dry and brittle before proceeding. After drying, you can transform your leaves into a versatile powder. Crush the dried leaves by hand or with a mortar and pestle for a coarser texture. For a fine powder, use a coffee grinder or blender until smooth. Store this fresh moringa powder in an airtight container in a cool, dark place to maintain its potency and freshness for an extended period. Now for the best part, brewing your moringa tea. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of your freshly prepared moringa powder to a cup of hot water. Let the tea steep for 3 to 5 minutes to allow the beneficial compounds and flavors to infuse. You can strain it if you prefer, and feel free to add honey or a squeeze of lemon for a delightful taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.